Welcome to Mushroom Wonderland.
How's it going, Mushroom Wonderland? This is something I don't do all the time. Maybe I should start adding it to the channel. But cooking with mushrooms is a big deal. Today I'm gonna be making a homemade pizza with white porcinis. To 12 minutes in the oven. White porcini pizza. Let's see what we got. That's so good. So if you're looking for something to do with your porcinis, how about porcini pizza? Thanks for watching Mushroom Wonderland. Hit the subscribe button, like, you already know that.